What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Velo, which has pumped up a massive 47% in the last 24 hours and currently sitting at 0.004747 cents. And as you guys can see, it's been increasing in value since very early this morning and it's still ongoing right now. So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, for those of you guys who have already invested into it, is it time to sell it, take out your profits? Or is it just time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher than where it is at the moment? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Velo go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website and the market is up 1% in the last 24 hours, and Velo is one of the top gainers. As you can see, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain over 4% in value. Over the last day, 45%. Over the week, a massive 114% in a single week, which is absolutely insane. And over the month, 58%. As you can see, it's been quite volatile with drops here in late January, and right now, since about a week, it's been pumping in value and hitting good numbers. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by just about 14% in the last 24 hours, making it $16 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Velo. And obviously, as we are seeing the price increase over the coming hours, we are going to see more people trading the crypto and a lot of people buying, selling, and hence why we are going to see the trading volume increasing even higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.002813. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at 0.004852, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line going upwards, looking quite bullish. However, they are looking too steep, guys, meaning it is not realistic. So again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading upwards is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last, I would say, about 14-15 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Velo to have dropped back down in value, but again, nothing major. There's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. And again, that doesn't mean that it's not going to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment. Yes, I'm expecting it to pump up even higher, hitting about 0.005, so half a cent over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value below 0.004 cents. By midday tomorrow is what my expectations are as of right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is looking too steep, guys, meaning once again it is not realistic. So over the coming 7 to 8 days, so by the end of next week, I'm expecting Velo to have gone through an overall increase in value. However, nothing major. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. So minimal increases in value is what I'm expecting from Velo over the coming week or so. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. And yes, I'm expecting Velo to be trading around 0.006 cents towards the end of next week. So again, it is going to be a very minimal increase in value. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? It's still looking quite steep, but not as steep as the previous two charts, meaning is a little bit more realistic in this point. So over the coming weeks, so I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-April 2023, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Velo. And yes, guys, we should be hitting over the 1 cent target by early to mid-April, depending on how the crypto market performs. But if it does manage to keep going like it has been over the last 3, 4, 5 weeks, then yes, guys, we should be able to hit the 1 cent target over the next 5 to 6 weeks. So early April, I'm expecting Velo to be hitting the 1 cent target. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market goes. It could go either way. Major crashes, pumps, and all of that stuff, they're not predicted, but anything like that which I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, so far so good for Velo over the long term. For those of you asking for the short term trade, personally I would not invest into Velo right now because it's too risky, again for the short term, especially because I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours, as I mentioned earlier. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys. After that, it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. And yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. And yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. And that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less, guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction. And you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And now back to Velo and its Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got long way for us to hit the resistance target here, which is 51 cents, which I'm not expecting Velo to be hitting anytime soon, or more or less this year is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. And even next year, guys, we are going to be stuck in the red zone. It's all about slow and steady increases in value, and for this crypto to go not even from 0.5% to a 51% increase is going to require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. So yeah, red zone it is for now. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Velo to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below. Is it over the coming hours, coming days, weeks, months, whenever you guys expect it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.